Does anybody else get to the bottom of their offcuts and think, oh, I'll just throw those on the fire, and then look at them and think, yeah, but that's ebony, and that's maple, and this is ebony, and should I really be throwing it away? Should I really be? And you can remember the job they're from. There you go, oak one with oak wedges. I love these little things. And look at this one. This is top of a hammer that's been wedged, and then you cut the offcut off, and each little offcut tells a story. I don't know whether I can bring myself to burn them. On that one, that is, if anybody's seen my laminated stool, that is the footrest offcut off the bottom of my stool. Now, do I throw that away? I don't know whether I can.